Okay, so here is a 2-minute kind of quick tutorial on how I did my daughter's Sweet 16 hair. I had to dye these bundles. To the left was when I bleached them. It's a whole, I'm gonna have to release a video because it was a catastrophe getting these bundles from the black it was dyed that I did not know to where they are now. So anyway, here is the base. It's where I started the front with the 2 braids on either side, and then I left that leave out as a T shape because we're doing bangs, and then the middle part. So as you can see, that is the leave out on top, and then we're doing the braids down to the side. Here is the platform completed with all the braids bundled in the back. I'm going to crochet that little piece through that bottom braid. I was all over with, because her hair is really thick. I was all over the place with getting her hair, those braids together. But anyway, you definitely want to grease the scalp. So I'm putting the cap on, and then I'm putting the diamond bond on. Josiah is in the background. He's singing in the bathtub. So if you hear him, he won't be quiet for my voiceover. So yeah, warning. So anyway, I put quite a lot of the diamond bond just to really protect her hair. I put it on the cap opposed to her hair, then the cap, because I don't want to put it too much on her scalp. But anyway, that was me blow drying and then letting that set. I had put glue around, you know, the edges where I was going to cut, and then the front of her hair to kind of lock that cap down, because I don't know how to sew the caps down. I need to do it. But anyway, that was that hair that I had previously. I put that as the bangs. This is the new hair. I put gaps because we didn't want her hair big, but in the end it actually was a little thicker than we wanted, so we ended up removing 2 tracks, but the bottom tracks didn't have a lot of gaps. The top did, because I wanted it flat, and because of her face shape, she doesn't need a lot of hair. So the top is with the second bundle. The second bundle is a little darker than the first. There's the leave out, it's matching. And remember, the front to the right is the bang that had the darker colored hair, and then the top is the more burgundy maroon. The bottom, it was a catastrophe with the dyeing, so it's a little more red, but it did blend. It kind of gave it like a little bit of, tiny bit of ombre on the ends because it's on the bottom. But that's me fat ironing. I know I'm kind of all over the place, but this is you know what came from all of that. So 1 pass with a chi at 410. I think I'm on 410, and then she wanted a little curl on the bottom. We cut the bang, which was crazy, but we got through to it. I think I had 3 tracks on the bang, but here's the finished product.